Sometimes in the streams of living water in the body, there can be obstructions in the pathway of the flow of the water. And so as we do in craniosacral therapy, we put our hands on and we feel the motion of the water, and very gently, sometimes we help change and help relieve restrictions that are in the body of water. And sometimes we can actually encourage the body to change the flow. And there's freedom of movement. The movement of water in the body is quieter, slower, stronger, more free, and health happens after that. I hope you all have a chance to gently listen to the body and encourage the streams of living water to free themselves from restrictions that can be found in the fascia, in the lymph, in the CSF, in the musculoskeletal system, and also in the belief systems of the emotions that sometimes can be big obstructions to the flow of the waters of the body and good health. I wish you all good health.